Hey y'all, it's Mac. So, as you know, I'm back in New York. And when I was on the plane, I was realizing a few things. Like when you're getting on the plane, you have to go through first class, right? Because I'm too poor, I don't take first class unless you guys take first class, which in that case, send me your money. And as I was walking down first class, I realized how people in first class that kind of glare at you when you're going down. Like so. So, here's my experience on my last few flights over the month. Welcome aboard. Can I see your ticket, please? Oh, here you go. Okay, well you're in 37F, so that's all the way at the back. Okay. Gross. Poor people. Oh, I think I'm sitting right there. No? No? Oh, okay. Sorry. Man, okay. Ma'am, I have to pee. This. Oh.
Yes, sir?
Yes. Could I get some bubbling water, please?
I'll be right back, sir.
With a lemon, thank you.
Sure. Sir, here you go.
Thank you. Ugh!
Excuse me, sir, you only need to press
Yes,
the button
stewardess, you incompetent ass. This does not have a lemon, it does not have any ice. What were you thinking? I paid $7,000 for this ticket. I expect a lemon. Extra tart. Fix it.
I'll be right back, sir.
No wonder they make less than minimum wage. So yeah, there is basically the two differences between first and coach. And if you're like me and take coach, you understand the video with everyone falling asleep on you because, oh my god, people need to learn personal space, like honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye!